For the very first time, our Mill Pro toolpaths offer a variety of link options for different scenarios, all thanks to our new advanced interface. First, select your scenario with options like entry and exit link, a large or small gap, large or small moves, or large and small passes. Then it's as simple as choosing your link type. It can be a direct follow surfaces, blend spline, step shortest path, retract to feed distance, retract to rapid distance, or retract to clearance. With this unprecedented level of control, we guarantee a substantial reduction in air cutting across all our Mill Pro toolpaths. We are always working towards high productivity. Contact us today and experience the future of machining.